hope you're all staying healthy and safe. I really appreciate comments and suggestions on my previous videos. Thank you also very much for supporting my channel. If you haven't already subscribed, please consider subscribing to my channel. Today, I'll be discussing about how to edit a drop-down list in Excel, as well as how to delete the drop-down list. In order to edit drop-down list, you'll need to click on the drop-down list cell. Here we have options of yes, no, and NA. So for example, I would like to add one more option or delete NA. What we can do is click on data validation. So first I'll go ahead and add one more option as not required and then hit enter. So now you'll see you'll have 4 options over here. So these still have only 3 options. In order for these cells to have 4 options too, what you'll need to do is copy and paste cell B3, or you can drag it as well. So now if you check, you'll have 4 options, and I'll go ahead and click on no, NA, and not required as required. So this is how you can add an option. And in order to delete, what you'll need to do is just go ahead and delete the options over here and then click OK. Now if you check, you only have yes and no options, and in order to copy yes and no on these cells, you'll just need to do the same thing. Copy to the other cells, or you can also go ahead and drag it. Now if you check, you will only have 2 options, and you'll select your options as required. And in order to change the list of months or shorten the list of months, what uh, you can do is follow similar steps. Click on data validation, and then I would like to only keep Jan, February, and March, so I'll go ahead and click on January and drag it to March, and then click OK. Now if you check, I only have 3 months over here, but the other ones still have 12 months, so I'll go ahead and just copy cell C3 to C4 up to C12, or you can also drag it down. Or there you go. Now you can select the month as required, and this is how you can edit the drop down list. In order to delete the drop down list, what you'll need to do is click on the cell with drop down list, go to data validation. Instead of list here, you'll need to do any value, because if you keep the list, what happens is if you delete it and click OK, you'll get this error: you must enter a source. So in order to remove that error, you'll need to click on any value, and then the source uh, gets removed because the value have already been deleted. So any value and click on OK. Now you'll see that there is no drop down list on the first one, and these still have drop down list. In order to remove it, you'll just go ahead and copy, or you can also drag down the cells as such, and then the drop down list is all gone, and you can delete the values, and you will follow similar steps here as well. Go to data validation, delete the selection, and click on any value, and then hit OK. And the first one doesn't have any drop down list. The remaining ones still have drop down list. You can copy the cells all the way down, and the drop down lists are all gone, and you can go ahead and delete the values. So this is how you can edit and delete drop down list. Hope you all like this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and please also subscribe to my channel. Thank you so very much. Y'all have a good day. Bye bye.